G'day guys, I'm Dan from Certified Energy Solutions, and today we're here having a look at the Sigenster product, which is made by a company called Sigenergy. And Certified, we're one of the first adopters of this product in Australia, and we can see some massive potential for the way it goes together, future expandability, and also features and form of the product itself. Communication with the company has been phenomenal to date, and we're really confident this product in Australia, and it's going to be the next biggest thing, I think, in the global products market. So what we're looking at here, basically they've got an inverter all-in-one and a battery module all-in-one. So this particular system sitting on the table right now is almost ready to be an off-grid product straight off the shelf, just this small form factor. So it really is quite a nice, sleek, modern looking design, all-in-one design. Now, the product is also hybrid, and there's multiple different sizes available in the market for this product range. So single phase, 5 kilowatts right up to 10 kilowatt inverter capacity. Then in the 3-phase, you've got 5s right up to 25 kilowatt inverter capacities. So some massive power delivery there out of an all-in-one modular product. They also support a product called a Gateway, which is another one of their products in the range. And the Gateway allows you to integrate a smart generator in the event of wanting another backup form in both hybrid or even off-grid standalone to make it a more well-rounded product base. They also have their own ecosystem with EV charging. So you can actually get a single phase or a 3-phase DC fast charger, and it smartly integrates with their own product here and allows the system to charge your car when you want it to charge, and also picking methods if you want to only use surplus PV or solar generation. It's got all that technology built into a nice handy application. And that's where we get onto the software for the product. They've got AI integration, which is one of the first products in the market to have that. You can also turn that off as well if you're a little bit worried about AI. But really cool tech. Now, the idea behind this, easily kind of modular as far as upgrading down the line. If you want to add more battery storage, they come with an 8 kilowatt hour block or a 5 kilowatt hour block, and you can mix and match those battery modules in a vertical stack and just keep going higher. So you can get it up to 6 of those batteries maximum, so you get a lot of power in that one big storage tower. Anyway, we'll go on to the next video, which is a bit of a look around the product in detail, and then we'll start pulling it apart. Okay, so we've now unplugged this system from the main supply so we can safely pull this thing apart, give you a bit of a look on the inside of the unit itself. So I've already done a couple of unclipping bits and pieces here, so I'm making this look a lot easier than it actually is. But then we take off our modules here. It's a really intelligent design, the way they've actually put the system together. Obviously making it really easy for an installer to fit this product as well, which is going to keep the cost down for the end user on the installation componentry. So it's a nice click together design and all the trims. There we go. So now we're really getting down to the nitty gritty. There we go. They're all keywayed in. You've got to make sure you pull these things off in the right order. There we are. There we go. So now we're starting to see the inside of this product and what we're looking at. So obviously this is one of the vents up here for its ventilation internally on the module, so the inverter capacity at the top. Now if I spin this around, without causing too much mess here, there we go. Now on this side, this is obviously where all the electronics hook up. So this is where the modules plug in, your solar arrays for your MPPTs, additional inverters and communications cables. Everything's nice and easily accessible behind this recessed panel on the side of the unit itself. Now, if we wanted to add another battery, it's quite an easy process with this device. So if I lift this up, there we are. You can see here it's got its quick connector, and this is the device that essentially allows you to vertically stack your battery capacity right up through the system, up to I think it's a maximum of 6 8 kilowatt hour battery blocks you can do on this unit, and you can also mix and match with the 5 kilowatt hour blocks as well if you don't want to go to the 8s. So the beauty of that is you can actually interchange them because they're all in their own BMS, battery management device. And when we look down at the battery itself, We won't take the cover off this one here, but essentially what this has is 5 layers of safety for your LFP or your lithium batteries. One of the very first product to come out in the Australian market that actually has built-in fire suppression, which is a special gel that injects through the battery, and that's a per battery fire prevention system. So in the event, worst case scenario, which is less than a 0.01% chance, you know you've always got to have that 5 levels of protection per battery broken down. So there's a bit of a look at the product. You can see how easy it is if you want to scale this product itself on site. And once again, very sleek and modular, takes up a very small space on site as well. Now, another thing to discuss about the product would be its EV charging. So Sigenstore or Sigenergy are one of the first companies in Australia to actually design a system that's capable of bi-directional charging from your EV. So if you have an EV integration on site, down the line when they approve it in Queensland, you'll actually be able to discharge from your car straight into your home battery system and then go vice versa. So really cool, smart technology ready to go down the line. Anyway, if you have any questions about the product, come in and see us. We'll have one of these on display and we're happy to answer any questions you've got. Cheers.